Making cat walkways are fairly simple. Let me show you how. Start with 14 gauge fencing, either coated or galvanized, with a minimum height of 4 feet tall. We do not recommend chicken wire. Measure your wire form to be at least 16 inches tall and wide enough to accommodate the walkway. We recommend a minimum of 8 inches. If your cat walkway is not tall enough or wide enough, your cats may be reluctant to use it. An inexpensive pair of bolt cutters will come in handy. Be sure to use leather gloves. This stuff is sharp. Next, create 2 seams on the top of the wire form, both on the left and right. Use your board as an edge to create this seam and hammer until the wire is flattened to about a 45-degree angle. Take your time. The 14 gauge wire is sturdy and will hold its shape. A pneumatic stapler will reduce hand fatigue. Be sure to staple every 2 inches on a 2-inch thick board. You will need several sizes of heavy-duty zip ties. I keep the sizes organized in different bags. Zip ties should be placed 2 inches apart. Clean up using a zip tie cutter. Now, a word about spiders. They seem to like to make webs in the walkway. We just use a stick and knock them down. After all, nobody likes to walk into a spider web. Walkways are good for chasing squirrels and chipmunks. Look at Sabrina go. The walkway slope should be no more than 40 degrees. After all, the cats may slide, especially after it rains or snows. For small slopes, we recommend stapling outdoor carpet grass. This is good for gripping. Well, that's basically it. You're all set, and thanks for watching.